This is a 405 Main in Scranton, apartment 3. It's a second floor apartment. This is a personal deck. You have parking spots in the lot back here. We're just getting done with the construction here. Painting still has to get done outside. Entrance goes into the kitchen, but there's also an inside entrance too. I'll show you that. This is pork chop. It's my partner. You can have a new electric stove here and a new fridge here or over there, whatever you like. Nice clean cabinets, all refinished. New windows. Plenty of room in here to put a little table. Yeah, heat's included in here, water, sewer, hot water. The only thing you pay here is electric. This bedroom is big enough for, you could probably fit a king would be tight in here. But you probably most likely fit a king in here with a TV dresser on that side. Or a full-size bed, and you could put a little dresser here, dresser there. That's your closet right there. Here's the bathroom. There's a coat closet or linen closet. Storage. Bathroom. Nice modern fixtures. New tub surround and fixtures and toilet. Nice big living room to fit pretty much any size couch in here. And here's the other bedroom. And this one you can fit a full-size bed will fit in here. Will fit right in that nook. So you have room for a dresser over there, or a TV in the corner there. Closet. So there's plenty of room in here. Ceiling fan, which is nice to get the air flowing in there. And that's it. It's a nice little place. Nice 2-bedroom. And this goes into the inside hallway. The deck is done, so that's going to be the main use until, and now we're going to start the inside in here, which will be all new walls and new floors. And that's the stairway that goes into the main avenue, and the stairway that goes down to the side. All right, so if you're interested in this property, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com, Parasole properties with IES.com. Submit your application on the homepage. Just click the link, and we'll be in touch by the next business day with further instructions on how to view this property.